Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover the 240 years journey of black holes, from the idea of dark stars to Einstein's theory and the discovery of the first black hole, Cygnus X-1, in 1971. Discover how these mysterious objects went from theory to reality. Black holes weren't always known by this name. In fact, the name wasn't coined until 1967, and the first proof of black holes in the universe wasn't found until 1971. However, the first clues of their existence were identified nearly 240 years ago. Over 100 years later, Albert Einstein presented his general theory of relativity, which predicted that objects with immense gravitational force were present in the universe. Over 50 years later, the first black hole candidate was identified, and since then, these enigmatic cosmic objects have fascinated the world. English natural philosopher and clergyman John Michell was the first person to present the concept that hypothetical objects with such gravitational force from which even light could not escape were swarming the universe. He called them dark stars in 1783. His idea was based on Newtonian mechanics and the concept of escape velocity. He was not the only one to talk about black stars. Pierre-Simon Laplace, a scholar who worked in physics, astronomy, mathematics, and a lot more fields, also presented a similar idea, stating that massive stars from which light could not escape existed in the universe. Black holes remained a theoretical concept for several years to come. In 1965, Roger Penrose proved that black holes are real and the result of gravitational collapse. These secretive objects generated so much curiosity that in 1967, astronomer John Wheeler formalized them by giving them a name, black hole. This meant that the scientific community was sure of such an object in the universe. However, one had yet to be found. In 1971, Paul Murdin and Louise Webster discovered the first cosmic object that was widely accepted as a black hole. It was Cygnus X-1, a system in the constellation Cygnus. Scientists detected X-rays from X-1, which they believed was being generated by a star that was losing matter and falling into something unseen, something dark. The stellar mass black hole in this system is believed to have a mass approximately 20 to 21 times that of the Sun. The massive blue supergiant star in its orbit is known as HDE 226868. It is an extremely bright X-ray source because of the material being pulled from the supergiant star. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.